Hey, Zimran.
Hamburger boy, where have you been?
Oh, the government wanted me to do something.
Oh, okay. What's in the box?
Box? I don't see a box. What are you talking about? Nope. No boxes around here. Well, I gotta go. Okay, bye.
Hamburger boy, what's in the box? I need to know.
Hey, Zimran, No!
Yeah! Oh, come on, hamburger boy. I need to know. What is in the box?
I can't tell you. Fortunately, the government wants me in a meeting with the box.
We just time traveled 10,000 years into the future! Wow! Look at all the spaceships and... Who could that be? It's the movie! Awesome! Man, that was quick. What? Wait, what is it? Oh no.
So I can't do this alone, so I'll need some agents here, there, and there as well. And as you know, the key to this entire mission is the files.
Do you have the files?
Yes, sir. I have the files right here. I've protected them with my very